I'm gonna make a body mist with 2 ingredients right here. This one is the base, the fragment base, and here is my perfume, my fragment, and here is my bottle. But before I start, I want to say thank you so much for moving me from 0 subscriber to 100 subscriber. Thank you guys. I'm grateful. You guys keep proving me wrong that somebody's are watching your videos. Thank you so much. Let's keep it rolling. Yay! So now let me do my video for today. It's right here. Perfume. It's right here. So easy. See? See? Right here. Very easy. That's the easiest tutorial you see. Here is it. Here is it though. Shake, 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 shake. See? And then guess. You see it? You see that? You see that? It smells good. I don't even need this anyway. Right here. Bye.